Hi Bells, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome, and if you are returning, welcome back. I know I missed last week and so sorry about that. I've been waiting on my ring light. If y'all saw my last video, you saw that my ring light broke like immediately after I had filmed that last video. So anyway, Mitchell got me this little, I just opened it. It's just this little ring light that you can use for like makeup tutorials and stuff like that. This is what it looks like. So I'll be doing a review and showing y'all a little bit more how to use it, but he just got it off of Amazon for like $20. And so that's what I'm using right now until I can figure out the whole ring light situation. But anyway, that's not what we're here for. If y'all have seen this before and have been seeing a couple of my videos and Instagram, you know that I've really been loving Cora's Den, which is a monogrammed jewelry company here on social media, and of course I'll link all her handles and everything down below. She had contacted me a little while ago and asked me would I like to receive any goodies from her for reviewing and to show you guys. So of course I said yes because I love all of her products. So she sent me this little box, and so we are gonna open this and see what goodies that are in here. She did ask me to go ahead and pick out a couple of things that I might like, and so I did that. And like I said, it was a little minute ago, so I don't really remember what's in here. If she just kind of handpicked a couple of things that I asked for, or had everything that I asked for. So we are gonna open this and see what is in here. So, oh, fun. Oh, there's a decent amount of stuff in here. Okay, so like I've said before, one of the things that I really like about this brand and this company is I think it's so cute that she matches whatever earrings that you're getting. She matches the bag to go with it. So, and hopefully y'all, I am using this light for the very first time, so I know I say this in all my videos, hopefully it's not too bright. And that you'll be able to see it. I'll see if I can turn it down, and hopefully there we go. So this is the first, this is the very first necklace, and this is another monogram necklace, and this one that y'all see all the time is from her as well. This is just the gold monogram necklace from her. And so let's see, this is so cute. So this seems like a pearly kind, like a pearl white kind, and it just has my monogram. There we go, so you can see it better. This has my monogram on it, and with a gold chain. So that's really pretty. That's so nice. I love these because you can just mix and match with your outfits. Oh, I love these. These are gorgeous. So this is a necklace here. These, oh my God, these are beautiful. Oh, these are so pretty. I may wear these together. These are a pair of earrings, y'all. Look how beautiful these are. Are these not adorable? Oh my God. These are beautiful. This would be, yeah, this would be nice to wear this. I know it's probably a bit much, but y'all know I'm extra, so it's right up my alley. So yeah, oh God, these are so pretty. I love these. Yeah, and y'all, these are very lightweight. I know that I've said that before, but her earrings, as big as they are very light. I love really big extravagant earrings, but I don't like for them to pull on my ear. It just like, I usually wear them all day. And so by the time the midday comes and I'm wearing like really heavy earrings, my earlobes just start to ache, and then I end up having to take them off. So that is a major thing that I absolutely love about this brand. The earrings are feather light, so you don't have to worry about that pulling your earlobe at all when you're wearing her earrings. So I can't wait to wear these. These are so pretty. Yeah, I'm probably gonna end up wearing these together. Those are beautiful. And a little Lily inspired necklace. You can never go wrong with Lily Pulitzer. And she just has it in this lime green bag. Y'all, look how adorable this is. Ah! Look at this. Is that not fun? Oh my Lord. And I'm starting to like really add to my Lily collection. So this is something else I can add to my collection. I love this. This is so adorable. And again, it's got the gold chain here. And I cannot remember. I think she may have some other Lily inspired patterns. I think, I'm not quite sure, but again, I'll link I'll link her website and her Instagram down below, and then y'all can look and check that out, because she has like so much stuff. And again, if you haven't seen my review on her products before that I have, her items are customizable. So not just you putting in your personal monogram, but anything else that you may want, like if you have like game day colors, or if you're having like a baby shower or what have you, you can just DM her, and she can, you know, go back and forth and kind of customize what you're looking for. So the last item that I got, oh, these are so pretty, are these little blue earrings. Again, in the little blue bag to match. These are gorgeous. These are just like a very simple earring, and with the holidays coming up, it's really, really pretty royal blue. With the holidays coming up, this will be something really, really nice to have, where you can mix and match, because of course it's got the pearl. And y'all, these pearls, all her pearls, if you can like really see what I'm talking about, they just look very high quality. They don't look very like plasticky or anything like that. And her, like I said, I'm not sure how much these are. I can kind of look and try to see if I can link all of these below. But the last time that I bought earrings from her, I think I paid like $12 a pair. And then the necklace, I'm not sure if they have other sizes than this, but this necklace, I believe that when I bought this, I believe it was only $15. So for these pearls looking the way they do, and even on these, this little cluster, how I have those, how she has those, they just look very high quality. They look like they can be on the same scale as other big earrings and big statement earrings that have pearls on them that are a lot more expensive. So anyway, yeah, I just kind of wanted to say that little tidbit, because y'all know I don't mind spending a little bit of money on certain things, but I'm really not that type of girl. I like to shop, and I just can't spend a lot of money on one thing, not constantly. Like I said, there are a couple of things that I would spend money on, like I really want a pair of pink glitter Uggs. I'm just trying to bring myself to spend $200. I just haven't brought myself to spend $200 on a pair of shoes yet, but I really want them. So anyway, yeah, but traditionally, um normally I'm not really wanting to spend a lot of money on things, especially if I know that I can kind of shop around, or another company has it, or something like it that's just as good, or that looks just as expensive, or looks just as nice. So that's just me, in my personal opinion. Again, I'm not going to say that I'll never spend a lot of money on something, because I'm sure I will if it's just something that I just want. But just constantly for me, um, just buying the first thing that I see without kind of looking around, especially if it's super expensive, that's just not me. I like to shop, and I will be broke. So, anyway, yeah, I just kind of wanted to get on here, and share with y'all my little package, um, that I received from Miss Cora. So thank you so much for that. I cannot wait to wear these, y'all. Um, they're so cute. And then again, with the holidays coming up, all my southern girls, like, y'all let your husbands or your boyfriends, family and friends know, like, hey, I want some monogrammed accessories, and it's something that's nice, that's not gonna break the bank, and that, really nice pieces. And like I said, one of the things that I really really like about these accessories is they're very very light. Like, they're not going to pull your earlobe down. She has things that are really nice and elegant that you can wear to the Christmas cocktail parties, and then something that's a little more casual that you can wear Black Friday shopping. So, speaking of Black Friday shopping, y'all let me know, is anyone going? Do y'all feel comfortable? I'm debating. I really really want to go, but I cannot find anybody to go with me. And Mitchell's definitely not going with me. I've tried to get that man to go Black Friday shopping with me forever, and it's not happening. So, anyway, yeah, y'all comment down below and let me know. Are y'all going Black Friday shopping, or are you gonna kind of skip it this year and just try to do everything online? Like, what's happening with that in y'all's world? So anyway, thank y'all. I know this video was short, but thank y'all so much for watching. Sorry again for no video last week. I'm trying to get the whole lighting situation still together. So anyway, yeah, thank y'all so much for watching. Like, comments, and subscribe. And also, she does have things for each season. So she has stuff for voting. She had like vote earrings. She has stuff for Halloween. I'm sure she'll have stuff for Christmas time, game day. Yeah, she's got a lot of stuff on there. So whatever you're looking for, she'll have it. So anyway, thank y'all so much for watching. You can follow me. All my socials are at the Glamorous Southern Belle, and you can also follow me on my Like to Know It. It is a free app where y'all can go on there, and it's a shopping app. It's really good for Christmas time coming up. You can just go on there, follow me at the Glamorous Southern Belle, and shop all my looks that I have. And I've got everything from the outfits that I'm wearing to products that I suggest, and kind of like my wish list and different things like that. So thank y'all so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.